Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charan CHARAN and I'm your sneaker host for today. And if you're new here to my channel, I'm a shoe enthusiast, cycling fanatic and music lover and creator. And join me on my journey as I review the latest kicks, conquer the epic cycling routes and share my original music and document all the ups and downs of my life. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. So with that being said, let's get started. Today I'm talking about a sneaker, the latest collaboration between Puma and a streetwear brand called Pleasures, which brings us this iconic Suede XL. And before I start, I want to show you the boxing first thing, because you get to see the premium boxing. On the bottom you get to see this Pleasures logo on the left side, the cat Puma logo on the right, and I went true to size for this particular sneaker, the same logos as well on the top, and I went true to size, that is UK 9, US 10, Europe 43, and the color of the sneaker is Puma Black Frosted Ivory, that is Puma Suede XL Pleasures. When I shuffle, I get to see this Pleasures logo on the right side as well again. Yeah, the boxing and everything is premium, not like the regular collaboration boxes or like green boxes which you get to see on the Puma shoes. Alright, on 1, 2, 3, go. And the first thing, you get to see this amazing butter paper with the branding of Puma and Pleasures logo on the top. And this is another butter paper. And this is another butter paper. Oh boy, 3 butter papers. Alright, so first things first, when I looked at this particular sneaker, I got to see that this is a pumped up sneaker, pumped up's classic Puma silhouette inspired by the chunky aesthetics of the 90s and the early 2000s skate footwear. So first things first, let me show you the fat laces, the iconic fat laces. Oh boy, I have to say that I'm a huge fan of these fat laces. And these are not like the regular white, because you get to see the white over here and the beige. This is more like a beige colorway, and these are definitely not 20mm size. These are definitely way higher as when I see. I'm putting it aside. Alright, let me open up this, and I guess you're loving this ASMR freaky sound of the paper. Alright, so let's dive into this. Before I start off, look at the first impressions. Let me open the other sneaker as well. I bought this from an Indian website called Clipchamp. This costed me around like 10,000 bucks, 10,000 to 11,000 bucks. Alright, let's get started. The first impressions, the Puma Suede XL hits you with an instant impact. This is a chunky sole, which is exaggerated with proportions, where you get to see the attention, like the clean lines in the premium materials exclude quality, and the black upper on this particular sneaker is contrasting with the cream. This is cream, this is not white. This is white and this is white, kind of white, but this is cream. And even the fat laces also on this side, you can see these are cream, these are not white. Got it? And yes, you get to see the Puma Suede with an XL on the left side, where you don't get to see the golden color, golden tag. And on the top you get to see this Pleasures logo with the cat down below. I'm going to show you the detailed picture. Let me open this, let me unlace this. And I have to say that the timeless collaboration with this particular shoe is amazing. And even you get to see the fat laces on these as well, which are quite familiar, which are quite same. The sizing, you can see this. This is cream and this is black. Yeah, let me throw this cover. Alright, you can see the close-up. You get to see the Pleasures and the Puma cat. And I've gone true to size, as I mentioned in the starting of the video, that is UK 9, US 10, and these are made in Vietnam. And you get to see the branding on the bottom. This is way too puffy. This is way too puffy. You get to see the puffiness, but not puffy like sneakers called SB Dunks or DC sneakers, because I even bought an SB Dunk in the recent times, and I have the DC sneakers as well. In the coming days I'll compare all the three of them. So with that being said, like what I want to show you guys is in this particular video, the padded tongue and the collar which is provided for the ankle support is quite the same. I mean, like if you're a sneakerhead or if you're a sneaker collector, if you're a collector of Nike SBs, you can feel the difference, because the branding and the quality is quite similar, not the same but similar. And I feel I get to see that like this is a collaboration. This is kind of a mix of SB and Vans half caps and Vans new schools. Yeah, these are way different when in real life. These are bold. You get to see this like wherein people will definitely turn their heads to see you for sure. And the construction is solid, pretty solid. And yes, this has got some amazing premium suede, because this is a collaboration. You guys will definitely, you guys know, like that's normal, that's pretty normal to expect the premium materials when you're paying for this. Got it? And this definitely offers a durability for sure, because this is way different. I'm totally I'm totally fan of this particular midsole, because this is so chunky. I've been using PUMA suede for a very long time, but I didn't see this chunkiness in the other shoes. And I'm definitely going to compare the PUMA suede, the PUMA suede XL, the PUMA suede VTG Classic, and the PUMA suede Hairy collaboration. That is going to boom up for sure. Make sure to keep aligned and turn on the notifications bell, and don't miss on the sneakers. And yes, when it comes to the style factor, I would say this particular sneaker is not for everyone, because this is meant for the people like who have got the swag and style, who are ready to go ahead like with the streetwear and everything. This shoe is a dream, I would say, because it pairs perfectly with baggy jeans, cargo pants, and even joggers for a casual look. And this particular black and cream, this particular colorway offers versatility, but definitely keeps an eye for a limited edition drops. And what I would like to give the verdict is, this particular PUMA suede is a winner for sure, because it's pretty comfortable, stylish, and well-made shoe that offers personality, that enhances the personality as well. And definitely this is a chunky shoe. This is not the regular one, which doesn't suit for everyone. This is not a cup for everyone. And it perfectly captures the essence of modern skate culture with a healthy dose of throwback vibes. And if you're looking for something like a statement piece that combines comfort, quality, and urge, I definitely recommend this for sure, because like just be prepared to turn the heads wherever you go. And stay till the end of the video, because I'm going to show you the sneaker lacing as well, and I'm going to show you the on-feet review as well. Yeah, that's one of the thing. And when it comes to the bonus points, I would like to say that like the collaboration between Pumas and the Pleasures is match made in streetwear heaven, I would say, because both have the bold design and they are pushing the boundaries for it. And this particular shoe is surprisingly versatile, which can be dressed up or down depending on your mood. Let's say if you're more into the sneaker vibes, I mean like the streetwear culture, just throw some, don't just throw like this, just throw them, just throw some fat laces and lace them up. And if you're having difficulties lacing them up, I've created a video. Please look into that video. And things to consider: this particular chunky design might not be for everyone. I'm specifying it again, especially for those who prefer a more sleek silhouette. And this is definitely a limited edition drop, because these are definitely challenging to cope. And I'm pretty sure like the sizing is true to size, like, and if you're from India, better go with true to size. And if you're from other countries where you get to see 9.5 and half a size extra, where in India you don't get to see this. And yes, when it comes to the price tag, this is a bit stepper. I mean, like, this is a bit costly than the average Puma Classics, because this has the better quality and the collaboration, and we can justify with it. But nevertheless, I'm gonna compare all the 4 sneakers I'm talking about. That is PUMA XL, PUMA Suede Classic, PUMA Suede VTG, and the PUMA Suede Hairy Suede. So whether if you are a die-hard fan, or if you're a die-hard skater or a streetwear enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the bold design and quality craftsmanship, this particular PUMA Suede Pleasures XL deserves a spot on your wish list for sure. So just be ready to embrace that infinite brings your way. So with that being said, this is all about the video, which I'm talking about a video. So next you'll be seeing the lacing part. Stay tuned till the end of the video, like wherein you get to see the on-feet review with the baggy jeans as well. So if that sounds good to you, and I really appreciate the support and love, guys, you're giving. I'll catch up, guys, in the next one. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Sure. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.